What's up, guys? So we're out here starting off the video at Canadian Tire. I gotta pick up some detailing stuff for like the summer so I can get everything. I don't need like a lot of stuff, so that way I don't have to make another trip back. Nothing else I need there.
Toothpaste?
No, I need that big, I need like the dryer sheets and stuff, or like the dry towels. This? I think it might have been this one. This chemical guy. I think I need more of this real.
Yeah, defs, totes.
Oh, we got this stuff, eh? The reusable glass. That stuff works so good. Like to.
Yep.
Oh, I need the not the wash. It's like the windshield washer fluid. Actually, I'll buy one of these just in case.
Okay.
The windshield washer, the bug fluid, not the snow one, and then windshield wipers, and then I'm good.
So we use this thing. Focus?
I know this camera's terrible at autofocusing. I don't know why, but
Year, make, model, and then got the good stuff.
all right, I think that's everything. Even shows a picture of my car. I was thinking about getting these because they're like bright white clear outputs, like headlights for my car.
No.
But I don't know like how. Like if it's something bright like that, I could use rather than actually getting new headlights and stuff.
Yep.
But we'll see.
3 days later.
So yeah, the car definitely looks a lot more cleaner now. I mean, it may not be 100%, but also I was gonna detail or fully detail like in like clay bar wax and everything, but I just didn't have the time today. I also have one more mod before I get the BRZ, I guess, prepped for summer. I got lights for the doors right here. So they're LED ones, like the ones that match inside my car here. So just a sick, simple, quick install. Use my panel poppers that I got. So there's some nice white LED bulbs that will just add to the look of the car and everything. I'll do I mean, obviously I can't now, but like the next video or next time I film it, it's night out. We'll see how well it looks. So just quick go prop off the other side and then do the same thing on that one. There we go. So yeah, another nice, simple and easy quick mod for the BRZ. Honestly, that's what I'm saying. I should have gotten these interior lights. I think the next thing I want to get is probably different bulbs for the license plate lights too. So those are LEDs. So basically, so we're almost fully LED lights here inside. All right, guys, what's gonna do this quick little BRZ update video. and detailing and everything. Basically pretty much ready for summer. The only thing that is missing is something from the back, which you guys probably have hinted at by this point. So I guess stay tuned for that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next video.